Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram reel icon not showing. So you can see I have already that icon here, but if you don't have, then just follow my steps. I have because I have already done that process. That's why I have this icon here. So just now I will show you the process. So first of all, go for your Play Store if, and go for your Instagram. If it's not updated, you have to first update your Instagram account or app from here if it's available here. After that, go back and you have to go for settings and go for apps and notification. Search for Instagram here. From here and go for Instagram. You have to go for storage and cache. You have to clear cache. From here you can clear your storage also, but I'm not gonna do that. After that, just go back and go for your Instagram. You can just go for log out from here. Oh, okay, just log out from here. And you have to again log in to your account, and after that you can fix your problem if you get your real icon here. So that's the process. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.